And he gobbles up the second chance. Disappointment for the keeper. No wonder he's asking... Benzema! Well, unfortunately, he couldn't keep the shot down. And a goal. It was served up on a silver platter for him. Good technique displayed. And fine goalkeeping. Oh, splendid header, but a fine save. Well, pressure building, another corner. This might be ideal for the counter. Chances on. Oh, a goal! They're in the lead here now.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace on the counter-attack. They were so...
We are champions, we are champions, we are champions, we are champions. We don't need your love. Soldiers of the dawn, we gon' fight the sun. Fight until we won, we are champions.
To enjoy it with your own supporters.